Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 ECC RDIMM, a memory module designed to breathe new life into your servers and workstations. If you're running a Lenovo ThinkServer, an IBM Lenovo System X, or even a Lenovo ThinkStation, and you're feeling the performance bottleneck, this might just be the upgrade you've been searching for. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise storage RAM, catering to servers and workstations, but also covering standard and specialty ECC memory for NAS devices, PCs, and Macs. This particular module boasts a 64GB capacity, operating at 2,400 MHz with a PC4-19200 rating. It's a 4RX4 module running at a safe 1.2V with a CL17 latency, all packed into a 288-pin ECC RDIMM form factor. It's also compatible with Lenovo part number 46W0843. The big question is, does it deliver? NEMIX RAM makes a bold claim that memory upgrades are the easiest and most cost-effective way to boost your system's performance. And in many cases, they're absolutely right. More RAM means your system can handle more data and memory, reducing the need to constantly access slower storage devices. This translates to snappier application loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive computing experience. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM suggests that most users can install the memory themselves in just a few minutes. Of course, always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions for your machine. Make sure you power down completely and follow ESD safety precautions. NEMIX RAM also emphasizes its commitment to quality, backing its products with a lifetime replacement warranty and offering top-tier support. This is a significant advantage, providing peace of mind that you're investing in a reliable product with solid support behind it. But what about real-world performance? While a full benchmark would require specific server configurations, the specifications of this NEMIX RAM module suggest a tangible improvement for memory-intensive tasks. Applications like virtualization, large database management, and scientific computing should see a noticeable boost. The ECC, error-correcting code, functionality is crucial for server environments, ensuring data integrity and system stability. The 2,400 MHz speed, while not the fastest DDR4 available today, strikes a good balance between performance and compatibility. It's a sweet spot that should work well with a wide range of server and workstation platforms. The CL17 latency is fairly standard for this type of memory. Ultimately, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 ECC RDIMM appears to be a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their server or workstation memory. The large capacity, ECC functionality, and lifetime warranty offer a compelling package. If you're experiencing performance bottlenecks due to insufficient RAM, this upgrade is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to check your system's compatibility before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.